Hello, and welcome back to the Path English. I'm really happy you are here today. In this episode, we will talk about something very important for your English: how to stop overthinking and start speaking naturally. Many people understand English. They know the words, they know the grammar, but when it is time to speak, they stop. Their mind becomes full. Their voice becomes quiet. Today, we will change that. You will learn how to relax, trust your voice, and speak with more confidence. In this podcast, I speak slowly. I use simple words and repeat key ideas so you can understand easily. You can listen, repeat, and speak with me. This is called shadowing. You listen, and then you repeat. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin together. Sometimes you want to speak, but nothing comes out. The words are in your head, but not in your mouth. You start a sentence, and then you stop. Why does this happen? Because you are thinking too much. You check every word. You check every sound. You try to be perfect. And in that moment, you lose your voice. But here's the truth. You don't need perfect English to speak. You need brave English. Many learners are afraid of mistakes. They think, what if I say it wrong? What if people don't understand me? But this fear blocks your progress. The more you try to be perfect, the harder it becomes to speak. Another problem is translation. You think in your language, then translate into English. This takes time. Your brain becomes slow, and the moment to speak disappears. So what can you do? You change your focus from perfection to communication, from thinking to speaking. Let's start with a simple idea. Speak first. Improve later. Fluency does not come from thinking. Fluency comes from doing. Think about a child. A child does not wait to learn grammar. A child listens, copies, and speaks. Mistakes happen, but learning continues. You can do the same. Let's try a simple sentence together. Repeat after me. I speak now. I improve later. I keep going. Again, I speak now. I improve later. I keep going. Good. Now imagine this conversation. Hi, do you like music? Yes, I like. I listen every day. Oh, nice. Me too. Is it perfect? No. Is it clear? Yes. That is communication. That is success. So when you speak, don't stop. Keep going. Your brain will learn with time. Now let's make speaking easier. We will use three simple tools. First, use short sentences. Long sentences create pressure. Short sentences create flow. Instead of saying, I would like to explain something about my routine, just say, I want to talk about my day. Simple is powerful. Second, think in English during your day. When you wake up, say, I feel tired. I drink coffee. When you walk, say, the sun is warm. I see people. These small sentences train your brain. Little by little, English becomes natural. Third, use rhythm. English is not only words, it is also music. Repeat sentences with flow. For example, I walk outside. I feel the air. I see the sky. Say it slowly, then normal, then faster. Feel your voice move. When your voice moves, your confidence grows. Now let's try something powerful. The 3-minute speaking challenge. Choose one topic. Anything simple. Your day, your food, your plans. Now speak for 3 minutes. No stopping, no correcting, no fear. Just speak. The goal is not perfection. The goal is movement. Your voice must keep moving. Repeat after me. I speak without stopping. I trust my voice. I keep talking. Again, I speak without stopping. I trust my voice. I keep talking. Now let's talk about your mindset. Because your mindset changes everything. First, mistakes are good. Every mistake is a lesson. Every mistake makes you stronger. Second, confidence comes from action. You don't wait to feel ready. You speak, and then you feel ready. Third, don't compare yourself. Your journey is yours. If you are better than yesterday, you are winning. Repeat with me. I am improving every day. My English is growing. I am proud of my progress. Again, with energy. I am improving every day. My English is growing. I am proud of my progress. Now let's do a final shadowing practice. Repeat after me. I can speak. I can grow. I can try again. Again. I can speak. I can grow. I can try again. Now a little stronger. I think less. I talk more. I speak with confidence. One more time. I think less. I talk more. I speak with confidence. Feel your voice. Feel your energy. This is your English. Great work today. You stayed until the end. You listened. You repeated. You spoke. That is real progress. Remember, fluency is not one big moment. It is many small steps. So come back to this episode. Listen again. Repeat again. Speak again. Each time you become stronger. This is The Path English. I'm proud of your effort. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. See you next time.